Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X3 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and then find the option sound and vibration. Now let's scroll down a little bit to find the ringtone, so let's tap. Of course, give all the permissions, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available ringtones from which we can choose. They are pre-installed here. We can also pick the custom section, so on this device, and after tapping on it you will be transferred to your own files. If you will have any downloaded, for example, they will appear right there and you will be able to pick them and set them as a ringtone, but I will pick something from those options. And basically, if you want to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, simply tap on it. So for example, this one, and it's too loud, definitely. So this is how it works. As you can see at the top, you can also manage the vibration, so you can sync it with the ringtone. You can set no vibration, up to you. So if you will decide that you want to set particular ringtones, so for example, I don't know, those trinkets, just tap on them, mark them, and go back. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on, your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.